Let's have a look at exam start questions on vectors. The question here is BCD a straight line? Show working to support your answer. If we look at the diagrams here, we have AB, but then if you look at the direction of the vector, we have BA, CA, and then AD. So BA is 5A minus 2B. CA is 3A plus B. AD is 3A minus 9B. Is BCD a straight line? BCD, this line is a straight line. What we need to do here is to work out BC and work out CD. If CD becomes a multiple of BC, then we say yes. If it is not, then they're not a straight line. Okay, so let's look at the questions in details. Okay, um, basically what we are looking for is to work out BC and CD and check if CD is a multiple of BC. That's what we're checking. Okay, so BC, which if we're going this direction, BC. Now BC is 5A minus 2B. So for BC, we're going towards these directions. BA plus AC. Now mind the direction now, because we are changing from CA to AC. So this becomes minus 3A minus B. So BC becomes 5A minus 2B minus 3A minus B. So if we tidy this up, BC becomes 2A minus 3B. So let's go for CD. Now CD is fine because it's going the same direction. Look at CD. CA plus AD. So that's fine. CA plus AD. So add the vectors. So we now have 3A plus 3A, that gives you 6A. Plus B minus 9B, so that gives you minus 8B. So CD is 6A minus 8B. Don't forget here, BC is 2A minus 3B. So they are not. So CD is not a multiple of BC. Therefore, it's not a straight line. So CD is not a multiple of BC, and so BCD is not a straight line. I mean, you can find BD if you want to find BD by going towards this way, which is BA plus AD. If you do that, you got 8A minus 11B. So CD is not a multiple. It's not a multiple of BC, and so BCD is not a straight line. Now let's give you another question to have a go, to try. Now, a question here is PQR straight line? Show working to support your answer. Now have a go, press pause, have a go. When you're done, press play. Okay, here let's have a look at it. It's asking us PQR, but then we need to find PQ and we need to find QR. If QR is the multiple of PQ, or if PQ is the multiple of QR, then PQR is a straight line. Otherwise, no. Okay, so PQ is 4A plus 4B. Now, because for PQ, we're going towards this direction, PS plus SQ. Again, mind the direction, because we're reversing the direction, so that SQ has to be minus 3A minus 2B. So we have this way, 4A plus 4B minus 3A minus 2B. So tidy this up. 4A minus 3A, that gives you A. 4B minus 2B, that gives you plus 2B. So PQ is A plus 2B. Now we need to find QR to see that. Now QR, again, we can go this way, QS plus SR. Okay, so If you do that, then you have 3a plus 2b plus 2a minus b. Then tidy this up. 3a plus 2a, that gives you 5a. 2b minus b, that gives you b. So QR is 5a plus b. Now, you can go ahead and find PR if you want to. If you want to find PR, that could be PS plus SR. PS plus SR. Just tidy them up. 4a plus 2a, that gives you 6a. 4b minus b, that gives you plus 3b. But again here, PQR is not a straight line because PQ is not a multiple of QR. PQ here is not a multiple of QR because here we have a plus 2b and here we have 5a plus b. So it's not a straight line. Have a go at this question again. Another question is coming up here. I want you to have a go on the next question. Try this question, press pause, and when you are done, press play. If I need to guide you a little bit, now this is also part of exam style questions. It says PR is A and PQ is B. M is the point on IQ such that RM to MQ is 3 to 1. So the whole of this length should be 4. That part is 3. Halfway here. Find the vector RQ in terms of A and B. Find vector PM in terms of A and B, but you have to simplify your answer. Have a go, press pause, and when you're done, press play. Okay, let's start with RQ. Now RQ here, RQ, we start with RP. RQ will go this way, RP plus PQ. RP plus PQ. Now because we're moving this way, RP, so that become minus. It's become minus A plus B. So IQ is minus A plus B. The second part of the question is find PM. PM. Now, again, to find PM, so PR plus up to this point here, because this point is 3/4, because the whole length here is 4. Remember, RM to MQ is 3 to 1. So if you kind of share this into 4 equal parts, then M is at the third part here. So that is 3/4 halfway. So we have PM becomes PR, which is A, plus here, which is 3/4, 3/4 of the whole length. So that becomes 3/4 of RQ. But we have found RQ here to be minus A plus B. So it become A plus 3/4 bracket minus A plus B. Tidy this up, multiply the bracket. So A, that become minus 3A over 4 plus 3B over 4. This here becomes just a quarter. 1/4 A plus 3B over 4, and that's it, done.